Hello, in this video I'm going to show you 5 camera tips and tricks for your ZTE Blade A51. So first of all, I can show you how you can get rid of this annoying camera sound. I'm talking about this sound. So we have to click on the settings in the right upper corner and then click on the switcher to turn off this sound. As you can hear, right now there's no more this sound. Next, when you take a look on the volume buttons, they are located on the right side. You can just use them to take the photos. Volume down and the volume up works the same. When you click on the settings icon and open the settings, you can use the quick capture option. So basically, when you double click the volume down key, when the screen is off, we can capture with the front camera or with the back camera. So let's select, for example, this back camera. Let's lock the screen. Let's double tap on the volume down button. Of course, you have to do this quickly. Your phone will vibrate. And it looks like the photo was taken. So yeah, as you can see, this the photo taken. So there's like, in the most phones, the camera will open, but right here, it just takes the photo in the background. So that's nice. You will feel vibration after using this function. Next, when you are right here, you can of course enable this countdown duration between 3 or 10 seconds. And right now, when you take the photo, you will see this delay on the screen. Next, you can also go for the more modes, where you can find other useful modes, like for example the filters. With the filters, we can change, some colors and the temperatures. It looks like that. Pretty good, actually. And there's a lot of different filters. And if you want to adjust some parameters manually, you can also go for the Pro mode, where you can find, for example, the white balance, ISO level, automatic focus, that's the exposure compensation. Right here we can find contrast, saturation. At the top we can also find the matrix metering. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.